Hello students, welcome to Lido Homework. In this video we are going to solve this following question that says we need to find the smallest whole number by which it should be multiplied, right? Which are the following numbers, the smallest whole numbers by which the following number should be multiplied so as to get a perfect square. Okay, and once we find that number, we also have to find the square root. So let's begin with the first one. The first one says 252. Okay, so we know to find the square root we are going to prime factorize it. So let's take 252 and let's factorize this. This goes into 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 6 are 2 6 are 2 3s are. This will go into 3, right? 3 2s are, 3 1s are, 3 7s are, and 7 1s are. So we've got all the factors. So let's just write down all the factors. That is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. Okay. After we write down the factors, we need to group them. So let's see if we are getting complete groups over here. So we are getting, yes, a group of 2, a group of 3. 7 is a single number. So now to complete this set, I need to multiply one more 7. So now I'm going to multiply one more 7. That means I will need to multiply 7 with 252. So let's multiply 252 into 7, which gives me 1764. Okay, so the number that you are multiplying with 252 is 7. That's the first part of the question. The second part of the question says to also find the square root of the number obtained. So the number obtained is 1764. So square root of 1764 is nothing but square root of all these factors that we found over here. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 and the 17 that we multiplied. Now we know that we are going to group them, and to find the square root we'll just take one number from each group. So 2 into 3 into 7, which is equal to 42. So the square root of 1764 is 42, and the number multiplied with 252 is 7 to get the nearest perfect square. Let's do the second one. The second one says 180. So let's factorize 180. This will go by 2, 90, 2 4s are 5s are 10. Okay, carry forward there. This will go by 3. 3 15s are 45. 3 5s are, and 5 1s are. Okay, so just let's write down the factors first. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Now let's group them and see which number is missing. We have a group of 2, we have a group of 3, and a group of 5 is missing. So I'll have to multiply by 5 to complete the group. Now I'm going to multiply this by 5. That means I will have to multiply 180 by 5. Multiplying 180 by 5, you get 900. So 900 is the perfect square. The second part of the question, like mentioned, says find out the square root of 900. So let's write that down. In the square root bracket, you're going to write all the factors. Okay, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. The next step would be taking one number from each group, and when you do that, you don't write the square root sign. Okay, because now you've just taken out one number each, and then you'll multiply 2 into 3 into 5, which is nothing but 30. So the square root of 900 is 30, and what number was supposed to be multiplied by 180? It was 5. I hope you're getting a hang of this. Feel free to pause the video, solve the other sum by yourself, come back and check for yourself whether the answer is correct or not. In this way it will just help you practice well. Okay, let's move on to the third one, that is 1008. So let's begin. This clearly goes into 2. 2 5s are 10. The 0 is as it is, and 2 4s are 8. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, carry 1, 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6. Okay, so it's 63. This goes by the next prime number, and that is 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21, 7 1s are 7. Okay, so let's write down all the factors that we've got. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. Now let's group them. A group of 2 is there, a group of 2 is there, a group of 3 is there, a group of 7 is missing. So I'll have to multiply it by 7 to complete the group. So if I'm going to add a 7, I'm going to multiply the original number 1008 by 7, which will give me 7056. So 7056 is a perfect square. Let's find out the square root of 7056. We already have the factors. Put them under the square root. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. And we know the groups. We'll take each number from each group. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. The answer is 84. So the square root of 7056 is 84. Let's move on to the fourth one, that is 2028. Okay, so let's factor this. Prime factorization, this goes by 2. 2 1s are, 0s are, 2 1s are, 2 4s are, 2 5s are, 2 0 and 7, 14, right? This will go in by 3, 1 6 and 9, 169. Now 169 is a perfect square of 13, right? The more you practice, the more you will be able to identify square roots directly. Okay, otherwise you'll have to sit and say, okay, 5, it doesn't go into 5, it doesn't go into 7, 9 or 11, and then you come to 13. Okay, great. So this is a factor that we've received. Let's write down the factors. 2 into 2 into 3 into 13 into 13. Okay, let's group them. Over here we can see there's a group of 2, there's a group of 13, a group of 3 is missing, right? So I'll have to multiply it by 3. So let's multiply 2028 by 3 into 3. The answer I'm going to get is 6084. So 6084 is a perfect square. The second part of the question says to find out the square root of it. 6084 is equal to square root of, write all the factors down under the square root sign. I'll write it like this, and then we also added a 3. Okay, you get this, and then we'll select each one from each group. So 2 into 13 into 3, you can also write it as 2 into 3 into 13, and then the answer for this is 78. Okay, so square root of 6084 is 78. Let's move on to the fifth one. 1458. Okay, so let's solve this. 1458. Clearly this goes by 2. 2 sevens are, 2 twos are, 2 nines are 18. 729. Let's start this with 3. Let's go in by 3. 2 4 3, right? 3 8s are 24. 3 1s are 81. Again this will go in by 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 9s are, no, 3 7s are 21, right? Yeah. And then 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Okay, I'll just write this properly. So this is 27. Okay, yeah. So now we have the factors, and now let's write down the factors. 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, let's group them up. I see a group of 3, I see a group of 3, I see a group of 3. A group of 2 is missing, so I'll have to multiply it by 2 to complete the group of 2, right? So since I'm multiplying it with 2, I will multiply 1458 into 2, which I'll get as 2916. So 2916 is a perfect square. Second part of this question asks us to find the square root. So 2916 is equal to, square root of 2916 is equal to square root of, write down all the factors that we have. 3 into 3 and 3 into 3. Okay, let's group them and take each number from each group. 2 into 3 into 3 into 3, and the answer for this would be 54. Okay, so the square root of 2916, which is a perfect square that we got by multiplying 2 to 1458. So the square root of 2916 is 54. Let's go to the last one here, and that is 768. This will go in by 2. 384 to 192. Again it will go in by 2. 2 9s are 18, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 24, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, and we have 3 1s are. Okay, let's write down all the factors. So we have 2 into 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 2. Let's check whether we've written down all the numbers. You might tend to miss out numbers. So another thing you can do is, while copying down the numbers, you can just with your pencil just mark the pairs over here, so you know you're copying down the right number of 2's. Okay, so we have 4 pairs, so I should have 4 pairs written down here. So this 1, this 2, this 3 and 4. Great. And then I have a single 3. So now the number that needs to be multiplied is 3, because we need to complete this pair of 3, right? So let's multiply 768 into 3, which gives me 2304. So 2304 is a perfect square. Let's find out the square root of 2304, which is nothing but square root of all the factors. We'll write another square root sign. 2 into 2, 2 into 2, second group, third group of 2 into 2, fourth group of 2 into 2, and one group of 3 into 3. Okay, and then now let's take one single number from each group. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. When you multiply this, you will get the answer as 48. So the square root of 2304 is 48. That's all in this video. Please feel free to like, share and comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.